Hello everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno 5Z, and let me show you how to change wallpaper here. First of all, you'll have to reach the settings, then open personalizations, and now just click on wallpapers. Here you can pick one from static wallpapers, something from your photo gallery, or one from live wallpapers. Let me go with static wallpapers, and here you can pick the one that you want to apply. You can check how it looks. And let me pick, for example, this one. Then tap on apply, and finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I will choose both. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screens. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.